Hey, Shih here, and in this video, you'll be learning the different ways to lower your advertising cost on Facebook. Now, if you enjoy my video training and content, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I release a new video. All right, so with that, let's jump into our training today. Let me just pull up my whiteboard. So let me go over this with you on the different ways to lower your advertising cost. All right, so ways to lower your advertising cost on Facebook. All right. And there are actually different ways to do this. So in order to understand this concept, we first need to understand the key performance indicators. And that can be separated by our front end versus our back end. Our front end will be our ad and promo, and the back end will be our store. And we already talked about reading our engagement in our last video. So if you haven't seen the hidden profit zones by reading your engagement, go back and watch that. That will really help you out. But now the front end KPI, this is what you want to look for, right? So it consists of CPM, which is the cost to show your ad 1,000 times. And we have CTR, which is the click-through rate. And we also have the CPC, which is the cost per click. All right, so these are your front end matrix. Now, CPM, we want it to be below $10. And this can vary from different times of the year. You may see that CPM will spike during the holidays, especially during Christmas. But your conversion rate should also increase as well. And CTR, you want it to be above 3%. And CPC, we want it to be below $1. All right, so that is what we want to see. Now, many times you may be wondering why this is not the case on your ad account, right? Well, there are different ways we can go about troubleshooting higher than normal ad costs. So let's say we have high CPM, which is above $10 or more, and we want to bring it down. What should we do? So what we can do is, first we can let it sit. First, we can let it sit for a bit longer because initially, when you first launch your ad, it will be higher than normal. So the first suggestion is to let it sit and see if it comes down and if Facebook can find more engaging audiences for you as they continue to learn about your audiences through your pixel. And another way to reduce CPM is to duplicate your ad set again to see if it hits a different segment of the audience. All right, so let me type that down. And the last point is we want to open up the age range. And we also want to combine different placements. All right, so that is different ways to lower your CPM. Now let's talk about CTR. When people are not clicking on our ad and our CTR is low, and to fix that, we can change up the image. Or we can also change up our audience to make sure we are targeting the right people. Or we can also change up the offer to have a better call to action. Many times I actually like to have a call to action bar at the bottom of my images to increase the chances of people stopping on my ad. And I know Facebook is penalizing ads with text that says comment yes or say something like tag or share this, but it seems like it's still okay to have it on your image. So you might want to give that a try. Then we have high CPC. This also means people are not interested in what we have to offer. So again, we need to increase our CTR by changing our offer or our image. All right, so if you combine these methods for your front end metrics plus understanding the engagement at your back end, you will see a huge difference in your advertising costs. So keep evaluating your engagement and buying indicators, and also change up your targeting and split out the demographics that are most engaging or performing on your ad sets. All right. Also, the last tip I want to leave you with is check your ratio of your link clicks over your view content. Let me just write that down. Check your ratio of your link clicks over your view content. Why this is important is if you have more view content compared to your link clicks, this is a good sign. It means people are engaging on your store. They are actually landing on multiple pages on your store, and your Facebook pixel are firing. So the ratio that you want to look for is above 1. All right, so that is what you want to keep note of. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on that notification bell to join the notification squad, and you'll get the latest update whenever I release a new video. All right, so I'll see you in the next one.